Hey guys, Mr. Rudy here. Welcome to another video. This video is going to be on the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Morocco Plex Breakage Defense. I wanted to try a new protein treatment. I figured this would work really well with my hair. And I looked at some of the ingredients in it, and it has hydrolyzed wheat protein in it and some other things that I think might work really well in my hair. So I didn't get the shampoo. Reason why I didn't get the shampoo is because I already have a shampoo that works well with my hair and I don't want to switch that up. This is a medicated shampoo because I have an extremely itchy scalp, so I try to stick to things that are like that. So I did get the conditioner that is part of the set, and so I have step 1 and step 3. So I'm going to do these in my hair and see how it works out for my hair for this wash day. Now this is an old Bantu knot out. I didn't do anything to my hair. This is what it basically looks like right now. Yeah, it looks like crap, but what I'm going to do is, it says that you can do this on dry or damp hair. So I'm going to kind of like moisturize my hair just a little bit with some water so it's kind of moisturized, not damp. So the directions say to apply a generous amount to dry or wet hair. Thoroughly saturate. Leave on for 10 minutes and rinse out. Follow with restorative shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying this. I don't know how well it's gonna apply because I do have a lot of product in my hair. Alright, so that's it. I have put everything in my hair, and so it is really slippery. I can detangle my hair pretty easily right now. So it says to leave it in for 10 minutes, so that's what I'm going to do. My hair is doing okay. So far so good. So after this, I'm going to rinse my hair out, and when I rinse my hair out, I'm going to put the shampoo my hair. I have shampooed my hair and I rinsed out that stuff. I rinsed this out after I left it in for about 10 minutes. So now I am going to put this in my hair and sit under the heating cap for 15 minutes, because it says to cover hair with conditioning cap and sit under warm dryer or leave on for 15 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on for 15 minutes and sit under the heating cap. So this bottle is like super hard to squeeze. This bottle, this has got to be a joke. I cannot squeeze the bottle to get the conditioner out. The bottle is so stiff. I literally have to push it against the counter to get the product out, which is really ridiculous. They should have thought about the plastic that they're using to see if it would work with getting the product out. Alright, I have my heating cap. I'm gonna sit under that for 15 minutes. I don't know, I might sit under there for 30 minutes just to be extra, but this is the heating cap I'm going to be using. Alright, so I have just set under the dryer for 30 minutes and it is feeling really good, like really good. So I really like this conditioner. It smells good and it feels really good in your hair. So I am going to rinse this out and then just put my hair in a bun. And this is basically my results after using the Plex Breakage Defense. Alright, so I'm back. I wanted to do this on damp hair. I did it on dry hair. I want to see what it's like on damp hair. This is 3 to 4 days later, and I'm ready to kind of shampoo and wash my hair over again. So I dampened my hair so I can see how these products work. And so I'm gonna go ahead and apply. Now that I'm starting to apply it, it's applying much easier than the dry hair, of course. I feel like it's spreading through my hair better, and it's getting throughout all of my strands. So yeah, I'm kind of liking it with damp hair better. So if you do this and you've used the product, you just do it on damp hair, because it spreads a lot easier through your hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna sit under the heating cap for 15 to 10 minutes, because last time I did it, I just let it sit in my hair and I didn't sit under a heating cap. But I want to sit under the heating cap for this stuff for about 15 minutes, and then I want to see if there's a difference in how my hair feels. So I will be back after sitting under the heating cap. Okay, so I just shampooed my hair, and now I'm going to use the third step, which is this right here. And I'm going to section my hair off and then put this in my hair for 30 minutes. And last time I put a lot in my hair. It was like up here, so now it's down here. So it kind of gives you a lot to use. I didn't think I would be able to use as much as I have used. And again, it is hard to get the freaking product out of the damn bottle. Okay, you guys, this is the results from the second time doing this to my hair, and I like the results. The results are nice. My hair looks really, really good. Second time around, I did it on damp hair. It spread throughout my hair a lot better than on dry hair, and I didn't have to use as much. So I like that. I recommend that you do it on damp hair instead of dry hair. Next thing, I sat under heat the second time. Do that. It feels good in your hair when you do that, because it feels like it penetrates deeper when you do that. And it was just like 10 to 15 minutes. I sat under the heat with this in my hair, and it felt much, much better when I rinsed it out. So after that, I did an hour of this instead of 30 minutes, and this is the results. One thing I did notice is after using these particular products, my hair is a lot more frizzier than normal. Yeah, I don't know why it does that. It just makes my hair much more frizzier than normal, and so I'm really not used to that. It usually is just really flat and kind of more wavy-ish, straightish, and so this is really making the curls and waves in my hair just go bonanza. So I'm just going to simply put my hair in a protective style, a bun, and I'm going to use my regular moisturizer and my a la Jamaican black castor oil, and I'm going to put my hair up. So other than that, I just wanted to show you guys how I use the product. Again, I bought this product with my own money, not sponsored video, and yeah, I really liked it. It's a really good product to use, especially if you are texturized or relaxed. So I will see you beautiful people later. Peace and love.